Would you like a cup of coffee? Oh yeah, over a cup of coffee. Oh yeah, over a cup of coffee.
Humility is a hidden strength.
The opposite of humility is pride. In Proverbs 24:16, for though the righteous fall 7 times, they rise again, but the wicked stumble when calamity strikes. Sabi ng kasabihan, ang may mababang kalooban ay matatag na tao, at ang mapagmalaki kapag bumagsak, lumalagapak. Walang pakinabang ang pride. Sa Colossians 1:16, for through Him God created everything in heaven and on earth, the seen and the unseen things, including the spiritual powers, lords, rulers, and authorities. God created the whole universe through Him and for Him. Wala tayong pwedeng ipagmalaki dahil lahat ng bagay ay galing sa Diyos. Satan originated as a high-ranking angel named Lucifer, created by God to be perfect and beautiful, but driven by pride, Lucifer rebelled against God. Without humility, we will definitely fall. Humble people are grateful people, respectful of others. They are not boastful, hindi mayabang. They acknowledge the kingship of God, and they open the door for love and charity. Mother Teresa said, humility makes one's love real, devoted, and ardent, tapat at masigasig dahil sila'y mabubuting tao. Be humble, because in humility, ito ay strength ng bawat tao. Ang pagpapakumbaba ay nagbibigay ng papuri sa Diyos. God bless everyone.